Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen and I'm back again. And before we get in the video today, we're going to talk about VVS Finance, Cryptocom, aka Crypto.com. But I want to thank everybody who's hit that subscribe button. We are at 495 subscribers at this point in time right now, closing in on 500, and that is a very big deal. I'm very appreciative. Thank you to everybody who watches the videos, who subscribes to the channel, and likes the video as well. Also, I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, a great holiday season, and can take advantage of some of the Cyber Monday, Black Friday deals that has been presented to us, even in this crypto space. But like I said, we're going to get into this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we over here building a community of spreading knowledge, spreading wealth, and trying to get this money. So that's what we over here doing. So like the video, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into the video. Now, the first thing we're going to start off by looking at is Cronos, aka Crypto.com, because it has a very interesting pattern that has been forming. We have had a pullback from 99 cents, almost $1, and we're currently at 73 cents. And as you can see on this chart, we have a double inside bar on the daily chart. Now, what that means is we have a period of consolidation. Now, this thing can either break out to the upside or the downside. Now, we can either head back to $1 or go a little bit further down before it reaches a point of forming a new level of support. Now, either way, it is a play. Either way, it's going to give us a dip buying opportunity to get it at a lower price, or it's going to give us a chance to play the momentum and make a trade. Now, if it does break above this inside bar break right here of about 77 cents right there, I do think that would be a good short-term momentum trade right there. If it breaks above $1, that'll be even better, better for the trend. But I still think that overall this thing is in a very strong uptrend. Of course, and like I said, what goes up must come down. So even cryptos that go up a lot, of course they will have a pullback, but that's natural. So if it has a nice little pullback right here and it wants to reverse back to the upside, that is very good. Now, what could that mean for VVS Finance? That could make VVS Finance bullish as well, get some more people flowing back into it, because as we can recall, Crypto.com supports VVS Finance, and Crypto.com is still a very good crypto to have. Cronos coin is a very good crypto to have. It is still in the very early stages. Even if you check the Twitter followings for both of them, just to give you a better idea, Crypto.com only has 105,000 followers on Twitter. Now, you don't necessarily equivalent Twitter followers to price movement, but the more people that know about a coin, the more people that are into a coin or that follow and keep up with it, the more exposure that it gets. And Crypto.com is only at 105,000, whereas VVS Finance is at 26.9 thousand followers, which still has a lot of room to go, but they're also still early on in the crypto price itself. So there's a lot of opportunity to make some money, make some cash, and hold these, especially for us long-term holders. But at the same time, we need to all pay attention to the crypto market as a whole and the crypto prices, because like I said, Bitcoin is right now is the king of the cryptocurrencies. If we can get back into the 60,000 range and above that, and maybe even break 60,000, that's good for everything crypto. So that would mean even Crypto.com, which is in a nice little trend right now, would be even stronger, and that could definitely lead over to VVS Finance as well. Now, if we look at the VVS Finance chart, we can see that it's at about 0.00013. Now, we want to see that thing get much higher, of course, but over the past weekend during Black Friday, it dropped down to about 0.00011. That was a very good dip buying opportunity. People had bought that dip, and if you got it at the lows of the dip, not saying it's hard to time some of the lows, but you know, as of right now, it'd be up close to about 20%. Now, understand that for me, 20% gains in crypto is not that much, because these things swing 20% day on and day off. That's not much at all, but at these levels, it is still at a solid dip buying opportunity, in my opinion. Could it go lower? Yes, it is a cryptocurrency, but like I said, the risk reward ratio, in my opinion, I like the reward a lot more than like the risk, because at this point you could put in a smaller amount and still get a massive returns if this thing does what we want it to do and there's no backlash behind it. And I still like it. Now, if we go to VVSfinance.com, you can see that the market cap is $157,443,801. Now, I had compared that because somebody had pointed out to me that the market cap on VVS Finance was different than the market cap on Crypto.com, not Crypto.com, but CoinMarketCap.com, and it is. Market cap from the actual website itself is 157 million. The liquidity is still increasing. Today it's at about 916 million. The volume, while it's been steady for the past week or so, it did have a big peak on the 14th for 270 million. Now, if we can get that volume peak, again, if we can get in before we catch another volume peak, another volume run, that means we'll be able to catch the next run if we can get in before all the volume starts flowing into VVS Finance. I do want you to understand that we are very early to the party. We are extremely, extremely early. And if we can see this thing through, it become very, very beneficial, because I know a lot of people, they're not just buying their VVS and holding it, they're mining it, they're farming it, they're getting those returns, they're staking it so they can earn money on their crypto instead of just having it sitting there. Because like I said, even though I do believe in VVS Finance at these levels, especially since it's supported by Crypto.com and the CEO is backing this, it makes me optimistic to think that, okay, this can pay off. This can pay off. I'm just going based off of the facts and what we know and the knowledge. In all honesty, the price looks good to me, but it's not even just because it's a cheap coin. You know, I'm not treating this as a meme coin. Like, this can actually be something very, very good. Another decentralized exchange with automated market maker. Removing the middleman sounds very, very beneficial for me, because if there is no middleman, essentially there should be less fees. Now, while I have been sending crypto to different accounts and buying crypto on different platforms, I have been seeing a lot of these fees, and they are very, very hefty at times. So if there's a way that they can take out the middleman of that and be a decentralized exchange and have us access to make it more easy to swap out different cryptocurrencies, I feel like that is a huge market for that, and especially whoever can do it the best will pay off very handsomely, very, very handsomely. So far, that's what I like to see. In my opinion, I am still looking at opportunities to add VVS Finance. Like I said, I'm comfortable adding it right here, but at the same time, I do understand that it can dip 20%, 30%, maybe even 40 or 50%. I can accept that. But Crow Coin, like I said, as we see in that one, definitely keep our eye on that, of the break of these inside bars. If it continues to consolidate, that'll be good as well. But it will pick a direction one way or another. But we just have to stay ready, so we don't have to get ready and take advantage of these plays that are sitting right in front of us. But anyways, I will keep y'all posted. I will keep y'all updated. Y'all make sure y'all like this video. Y'all subscribe to the channel. And when we get back to our regularly scheduled program with my face cams, with my background and all that, I will drop even more updates for y'all on other cryptocurrencies and stocks. But today, we got to focus on what's going on right now, what's in front of us, and take advantage of these plays. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video. Until next time, Densky out.